Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming admin access. Without it, you cannot change controls. Once done, backup settings or copy key values so you can restore if needed. Next, open the device or router interface and go directly to Parental Controls, Family, or Profiles. You want the specific menu that lists user restrictions. Do this step now so you're ready to authenticate. It saves time and prevents lockouts later. Make sure you know any PIN or account email used for the controls. You will now authenticate using the admin password, PIN, or a 2FA code. This verifies you have permission to change settings. Once unlocked, locate the specific user or profile and either toggle restrictions off or remove the profile entirely. For built-in OS controls, disable screen time or content filters. For apps, clear app-level locks and reset age or time limits. If a router enforces rules, edit the schedule or delete the device rule. Take screenshots of changes in case you need to reverse them. After you save settings, reboot the device or router to ensure changes take effect. Some systems apply rules only after restart. Then sign out of the admin account and test by logging into the target account to access previously restricted content. Make sure apps and browsers aren't cached with old rules. If restrictions persist, check for secondary controls such as ISB filters, app-level parental locks, or profile-based management. Clear cache, re-enter credentials, or reset the parental PIN as a trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.